Okay, so we have our map showing us all the areas that are within half a mile of the T. I think it'd be interesting to sort of bring in demographic data to put under it. So we're going to add sort of the concentration of the Black population of Boston under this. So we're going to go back to add another data layer. And this time we're going to browse living atlas layers. These are layers that sort of come pre-built with the product. There are a lot of interesting things in here. The problem with using these sort of built-in data layers is that it doesn't let you change the style of them and it doesn't let you perform analysis on them, but they can still be interesting to use. So we're going to go to demographics, census Black population, and add it to our map as a layer. Where did it go? As a layer. There we go. Close. We're going to close. So it's a little disorienting to have both our buffer and the Black population layer. Oh, and I did add it twice. Oopsies. To have our buffer and our Black population layer be blue. So we can't change the style of the Black population layer because, like I said, it's brought in as one of those pre-made layers. But we can change the style of our buffer. All we really care about the buffer is location. So we're going to use location as the attribute. Under drawing style, we're going to go to options and just change it. Oh, what color should we change it to? We can make it a nice pink color. Hit OK. Okay, so now the buffer stands out a little bit more. And it's really interesting to see that almost the entire Black population of Boston is concentrated in this area that is not within half a mile of the T, and that the sort of majority of Black residents in Boston are not well served by public transportation relative to something like Back Bay or downtown that have a lot of T stops. And you can sort of play around and use this in your project as you try and understand why people are scared of a particular area or don't feel safe there. And also sort of this presents a unique combination of, because it's a majority Black area, that makes it prone to these stereotypes that people have, as well as if it's not served by the T, that sort of could explain why people responded, I've never been there, because the T doesn't go there, so it's hard to get to. This is our beautiful, beautiful map.